Yeah, I'm trying to see when other uh, three people, other couple of them will be coming. The other person told that she is busy.
Okay.
I like the speed way you are doing it today. Excellent.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Don't you can call me Kiran. You don't have to call me sir. But it is more and more practice makes things easier. Probably by around 5:33, I will start and I will go ahead. If
Okay.
nobody else comes, I know other person, one person is not coming. Uh, she is busy. So, do you have any doubts or anything, or um,
Yes, I have one doubt. Like in the target table, when I was practicing, like when I clicked on the target table, like it was showing that there is no data available. There are 0 rows. So how do you know like when there is data in the target table? Like
yeah, that's a very good question. So, in the beginning, you just have the metadata. So there is no data unless and until your transformation works out, and then you populate your table. Okay, so in the beginning, table is not there, data is not there, just the metadata is there. So and then you load the data in it, and you can always click and open and see. Let me share my screen. So if you see, this is a table, right?
yes,
This is this is our target table. It says it's loading. So probably taking a bunch more time to load, but it's loading. So whenever you have data, the data will be there. So all you need to do is press the button open.
okay. But doesn't the data load automatically when we connect it with the transformation?
No. It will only happen once you do the run.
Okay.
Connected transformation is like, say you have water pump. Say
Yes.
for example, you have a pump or something, right? So this is like you are attached a pump from beginning to end. Unless and until you pour water, it does not go other side.
Yes.
You can take that kind of analogy.
Okay. Yeah.
So so let me check whether anybody else. Christine is there. Hi Christine. Hi Christine. Maybe Christine is under mute. Um, the Christine, I like way you try to do bunch of other transformations uh, and all. It was very nice. It was very nice. I liked your approach. Milan, you are also doing great. We all need to do some more practice. Then we are all good to go. Few more transformations we see, and then we solve couple of problems. Then we are good to go for the real time. So, do you think we should start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today, I want to discuss once again. Um, once again, uh, I want to discuss. 1 second. Today, I want to discuss once again little bit of extract Nothing too much on the extract, but little bit of extract, and then we will go on the joins. Okay. So let me, you know how to save any program, right? You just need to save a job is just to click this one. And then let me close this. Yes. Christine, do you have any doubts?
No doubt.
Okay, no doubt from what you have practiced. Sorry guys, for some of you, I was observing what are all you doing. The only reason is we all have troubles in the beginning. Once that the initial friction is gone, everything fast and smooth. Okay, so that is why I try to help you when you are in the beginning, but I leave for yourself once you, whenever you want to practice. For the first time only, I just try to help. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I saw was couple of you were having problems, especially when you have to define a new column. Okay, I would like to go on that once. Wow, I had so many windows open. Okay, let me go to. So you guys should save your jobs also once you are done. Okay, that's a good practice. Okay, so let me open a new extract job. So what we did in extract jobs, any one of you? What does the extract transformation do? Milind.
Yes, sir. In that, like, we did two things. One, we found out the mean of the MSRP of all the rows, and there was one more.
So first, whenever we try to tell something, we need to try at a very higher level. So we try to do where and group by, right?
That's right.
So let me do one extract job just to show you. Okay. So whenever you come onto the screen, first click on this plus. Okay. So it opens everything to us. So, but what I wanted to say was, whenever you want to create anything, say you want to create a table or you want to create anything, you should click on that subfolder. Now I am trying to create a new job, right? What should I do? I should click on the job, new job, right? So let's say extract. Okay, and then we say, and also always observe this another thing. Today's class job, it is saying the location also. Okay, so two important things here. One, click on the subfolder in which you want to have your job or table, and then it always gives you the location here. Can you see the location, Christine?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, so then I say, Okay. So extract, I want to use cars, right? And in transformations, I bring extract, and did you see it doesn't look very clean? The arrow is little bit twisted here and there. Just press this. Everything comes in the order. Did you guys see this?
Yes, sir.
So I want this to be a permanent table, right? So I delete this. Where do I want my table to be? In
Target.
target table. So because this cars table is already registered in the source. In the source, always remember, you register table most of the time, and for the target table, what you do is you click new table. Let's say extracted table. I know this you guys are also have repeated, but I believe in the power of repetition. That's why I try to repeat it again and again and again. So where it is stored, today's class target. Next. So from our library. Next. So what do I need to do now, Milind?
And now click on your folder, today class.
Click on here, or where do I need to click?
The plus sign, I think.
Excellent. And then?
Source plus sign.
Yes.
Select cars and the variables that you want to.
I want only one column. Okay.
Yeah.
Then?
Next.
I want a new column here.
Then click new.
Yeah. And name of the column should not have a bracket in it. Okay.
Yeah.
So the column name is MSRP underscore
Mean.
Underscore mean. Okay, I thought some mean. Okay. And this is a numeric variable. When you double click it, it gives you option of numeric. Okay. And then go into format. I want comma 10.2. Okay. So everything looks fine. Then I will press next and finish. Okay. Where is my target table? What was the name of the target table? Extract table, right? So I don't see anything like this here. So what do I need to do?
Refresh.
Refresh. And then bring my extract table here and join them, right? So so what is happening here? So let us see whether if all the mappings are okay or not. Okay. properties, I click mapping. So I wanted to tell one more thing here. Sometimes you may have same column names, okay, then mapping is straightforward. Sometimes you may have, say, instead of make, here it is made, then this automatic mapping will not be there. You have to map on your own. Is that clear, Christy?
Yes, clear.
So sometimes if the names are not same, you have to do the mapping. Okay, let me enhance this. Okay, so apart from this, MSRP is linked to MSRP underscore mean, but how is it linked? You have to manipulate through an expression. Okay, so for that you will click expression, advanced, functions, aggregate, you press aggregate and then you press mean, add to expression, and then data source, which column you want, that column we will take. Here we want to take MSRP, add to expression. Okay, why does it gives me a, did you see? So what we need to do is, whenever it gives, it is trying to tell us something is wrong. Okay, and do this. I have selected. Did you see the warning has gone? So when you have a value depend on another value of the column, you need to do two things. You need to map it and also you need to give your expression. Okay, and also in the group by you need to tell it's make, right? Okay, so if you want a where clause in this or you don't want a where clause? Okay, let's press OK.
Yes, sir, you can add where clause.
Yeah, let's try to add where clause. Okay, I'm trying to open this data set. I want only cars which start with makes which are with 1 second, this C. Okay, properties. Can anybody tell me how can we do this?
Let's see, you use the like statement, right? Where like.
Yeah, where is already there. Okay, make like,
Make like percent in quotes.
percent B.
C. B. Okay.
right? To see whether we have given an expression in a correct way or not, we can always press validate expression. What does it say?
It is valid.
Expression is valid, right? So this is one way of doing. Okay, I say no here. You can even take this make column from here and then do all this. Instead of writing make, you can pick here and add to expression. You can do. I just wrote on. I'm more of a coder. That's why I got habituated like this. But you can always click on this. Add to expression like P if you want to see this. So the first one, let us not go too deep into this, but this is more appropriate because if you put percent in front of this one also, B can be anywhere. Okay, this tells you from the beginning. Christine, did you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
So if I put this, B can be anywhere. Okay. If I do this, B can be only in the beginning. Milind, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me do the validate expression. It says valid. Then I don't want to see log. So my group by is perfect. Everything looks all good. Let's run it. Now we want to see our data what got populated. So we have only two makes, BMW and Buick. So is this clear to both of you? Then we can go into joins.
Yes, clear.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sorry, I repeat. I summarize whatever has done in the previous classes. That's my practice generally, so you have to bear with me. I will repeat again the joins in the next class again, so that it is better to understand and listen more than once. That is the idea. So anybody wants to help me in making a join? I want to see your thought process, how, because we have made two transformations till now, right? We have done like 2 jobs and 3 jobs, around 3 jobs and 2 transformations. Anybody wants to help me in designing a join table, and I will give you the details also. Who wants to take this chance? Christine, you want to take this chance?
I can try.
This is all about trying, Christine. This is all about trying, Milind. So this is what we are trying to do. Okay, this one. Okay, we have a products table. We have a manufacturers table. We are joining on products.maninum and manufacturers.maninum, and we want to have these 4 columns. Okay, first let me close this and let me delete those two tables. Okay. Now I'm opening a new job. Christine, what would be our first step?
First, we have to register our tables in the source and
Okay.
create.
Let's go and register our tables. I clicked on source, then
Register table,
register tables
SAS.
as, say for example, if my table was in Teradata, how would have you done that? Or if my table is in Oracle, how do you do that?
You need to choose the that
Database sources and take from there. Okay.
okay, got it.
So SAS and then go ahead.
Next.
Products and manufacturers, right?
Yes. Use Control to select those two tables.
Excellent. Super. And what was the other one?
Product. Next. Finish.
That was an excellent observation to use control. Very great job. Finish, right? Okay, it says it's already there, okay? Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, then refresh. Okay, we have our tables. Okay.
Then create a job.
So I should be careful here, right? So what I did was I clicked on this and created a job. Job got created here. So I should put cursor on the job and then
New job.
new job. What name you want to give?
Table.
Table joint. Okay. So is it in the same location which I want to give?
Yes,
How do you know that?
because the location is today class job.
You're right. You're right. Sorry, sometimes I ask small things also. Okay. Then what do I need to do?
We want to save it, so we also need a target table.
Yeah, you're right. So let's go to target, right?
Yes. And new table.
New table. Join. Table join.
Yes.
Next.
Change library to our library.
Change library to our library. You're right. Then
Next.
Then
click on the plus sign of today class.
See, I did a mistake. Thank you. Today class. Source.
And
let me show you what are the columns we need. Okay. So we need prod name, prod cost, maninum, maniname. Okay.
Okay.
Prod name, prod cost, maninum, maniname. So from manufacturers, what columns we need?
Menu name.
Maninum, maniname, and
from product, choose prod name, prod cost.
Prod name, prod cost. So every time we used to take from only one table, but now we have to take from two tables, right? Then
next, finish.
okay.
Then add a source table to diagram.
Okay, I did that.
And our target table to diagram.
What was our target table name was?
Table join.
Table join. It is not here. So what do I need to do?
Refresh.
Target. Refresh. So sometimes I can add to the diagram like this. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Chris. Table join, right?
Yes.
Then?
And go to transformations.
Okay.
Here is SQL join.
SQL join.
Under the date tab. Hello, Kiran?
Yeah. Then
draw lines between source data and the SQL join.
Yeah. Did you see the difference in this and the other ones? What is the difference?
There are two grid on the left.
There are two ports. Okay. If you are joining three tables, you can add one more port also. Okay. So it gives us option of adding more ports. Let me show you. If you want to add, it gives an option of add port. 1 second. Did you see here? Milind, could you see? If you want, you can add one more port. Okay. And then remove this work table, right?
Yes. Connect SQL join and our target table join.
Okay. Then
and click on SQL join.
So does this look clean?
No.
So what do I need to do?
Click the green button.
Yes. Okay.
Then click on SQL join.
So when I click, and here it gives me what kind of join? an inner join, right?
Yes.
If you want left join, you can change it like this. Right join, you can do this. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay? Okay. Here, what else we can do?
Change the where.
Where is after the join? Did you see where is after the join?
Yes.
So what? So you don't generally, we don't do that right now. So let me double click it. Did you see? It already chose something. So that where is after this join. Okay. So for join, this is the condition. Okay.
Oh, yes.
Is that clear? Milind, is it clear?
Yes, sir. So what if we want to add some different condition?
So if you want to add a different condition or you want to remove this condition?
Yeah, if you want to add a different condition. Like by default it selects this, but what if we need something else?
Okay. Here we have, say for example, you don't want this condition. Click on this and delete and add new.
Okay.
So here this condition looks okay, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I go up. Before doing anything, I need to check the mappings. Click on mappings. Let me enlarge this for you. Can you see? These are the columns of all the tables. If you go to manufacturers, we got these two columns from the manufacturers. If you click here, products, we got these two columns from products. What do I need to do if I want to move these two columns up? Simple. Click it, move up. Click it, move up. Did you see this?
Yes.
Why I wanted to show here was because here they wanted a table like this. Prod name, prod cost. If you want to move, you can move that also. So all my mappings are looking good and everything is excellent, right? So let us bring it down and let me run. Okay. One second. Open. Did you see? Everything looks fantastic. You have your prod name, prod cost, manunum, manuname. Right? We have joined on manunum of one table to manunum of other table. Say I want where manunum, I need to match manunum to manunum, and also I need to only have where manunum is equal to 500. Okay. Milind, you want me to help it? Help me.
Yes, sir. Yes. Click on SQL joins properties.
And double click on that, and what do I need to do? Double click on this, and what do I need to do?
Add a new.
That's AND clause, right?
Yes.
And here you don't know the column names, right? Now you don't say you don't remember. You always, it gives you option when you click on that. Choose columns. Which column you want to choose?
Manufacturers. Manu name.
It was manu name or it was manu num, right?
Manu num, yeah, that's right.
Okay.
Equal to 500.
Christine, is this clear?
Yes, clear.
And then
Run. So, and what if we want less than 500?
Okay, let's see the data now. 500, right? So less than 500, click on this, open, again click on this. You want double click here. Which one you want?
Okay, less than.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Now run. Open. Straightforward, right?
Yes.
So now we did both of this one and this one. Okay. Do anybody wants me to help me on this group by manu name? I will tell you till a point, and I will ask you, Milind, so that you can help me like what Christine has helped me.
Okay.
Christine, great job.
So do we add the extract transformation also for group by?
No, that group by transformation is there in the SQL join only.
Okay.
That's what I was trying to tell you. I will help you on that. Okay. So now only we need 2 columns, right? So from the table we need to take only manu name. This one is exactly what we have done for our extract job. Okay. In extract, when we had mean or sum, how did we do? We did it in this way, right? So in the same way we will do it here also. Let me explain you much better. Okay. Now I need to save my job. Milind, let's go, and I have already invoice table, so we need not bring another table. Okay. So tell me how to create a new table in Target.
Okay. Click on Target. New table. Table name.
Table name, let's give join and group. Okay, these are bad table names. Just for explanation, I'm giving you like this. Okay, is it in the same location, our target location? How do we know? By seeing this, right?
Yes.
Then next.
Library. Library.
Or library.
Next. Click on source. RV. Today's class. Yeah. Source. Invoice, right?
So let's go here. We are getting manu name only. Other is a calculated column. So from manufacturers we need
Menu name.
menu name. Give me 1 second. So menu name, I move it here. Other one is a calculated column, right? So what we do? Milind here.
Yeah.
Next.
New.
This is, let us say, what was it? Was sum column or what? It was sum of invoice, okay? Sum underscore invoice. What type of column is this?
Numeric.
Numeric. And then format I want is comma 10 dot. Then next. See, there are they are telling whether you want to define indexes and all that. We will try to do those in the next classes sometime. Okay. Next. Finish. Okay. Then in our new job, right?
Yes.
Let us give join and
Group
by. Okay. So what do we need to pull over here? Invoice and manufacturers. And what other table we need?
Target.
What is the target table name was? What did we put? Do you remember, Christine, what name we gave? Not this one. I think let's refresh it. Let's refresh our target. Was it join and group?
Yes.
So add to diagram. Okay. What other thing we need here?
Transformation. SQL join.
SQL join. Let me bring it down a little bit. Okay. So
Connect it.
Sorry guys. Okay.
Delete the work table.
This looks so clumsy, right? So what we do?
Click the green.
Yes. All looks nice and easy, right? Okay. Here there is nothing new that you don't know, but you have to do certain things which you will do. Okay. First, let us open it. So if what is this? This means right join, right? Let's say if you want to do left join, what you will do?
Click on left.
Yeah. And everything looks fine. Manunum is equal to manunum. And I go up. Right? And then there is another thing which we need to check. What is that? Anybody?
The sum, right?
Yes. So we need to add a group by, right? Did you see here there is a group by SQL class?
Yes.
Then you click one second, guys. So which column you want to do group by?
Menu name.
Menu name. Then up. Then I see this. Okay. What else is missing? Mappings. Right. Some invoice is a mapping of which table?
Invoice.
Invoice, right? Of inv price, right? So first what I need to do? Map it and write an expression on it, right?
Yes.
How do I do that? Could you tell me quickly? Advanced.
Functions.
Functions. Arithmetic. Not arithmetic, sorry. Aggregate. And after aggregate, what do I need to do?
Sum argument.
Sum. Add to expression.
Data source. Invoice.
Invoice.
Inv-num.
Inv-num. What was it? Inv price, right?
Price, sorry.
Milind, I am very forgetful guy. You are like me only now. Add to expression. Okay. So everything looks fine. Before doing anything, I would like to explain again what has happened here from the beginning. We joined these two tables with SQL join. Is this clear till here, Christine?
Yes, clear.
Then I double click on this one. Okay. And then I did a left join here. Okay. There is a group by here. I clicked on this one. Okay. That is what I did. After that, group by, I clicked on this, double click, and did the same thing as we do in the extract. Okay. And then I went to mappings and again did the same thing as we did in the extract. We mapped the calculated column to the column we want, and then we added expression. Okay. Is that clear to both of you?
Yes.
Okay, then run. It doesn't show me any error. Okay, let's go to diagram. Let's see warning and errors. No warning, no error. Open. So sum is there, everything is there. I want to know, is anything not clear here? Christine.
Geometry is clear.
Okay, the only difference is here we have two tables. We have to double click on the join, and also we have added group by. That is about the change. Everything else is same. Okay. So tomorrow after 8 o'clock, are you guys free? Milind?
Yes, sir.
Christine, is that
Yes.
time okay for you also? Because
Yes.
Netsenet is, I think, she has work till 8. Probably I will put class from 8:30 to 9:30. Is that okay for both of you?
Yes, sir. Tomorrow
Yes.
morning?
Tomorrow evening, I'm saying.
Evening, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Then let's, tomorrow what we will do is, once again we will do this join with 3 tables. Okay? And I will try to explain you couple of things, couple of other transformations which are simple transformations like a splitter and rank. I want to explain these two. Around Saturday, Sunday, Monday, I want to give a small test kind of thing so that you could solve one thing from end to end. Okay? Then we will go into SED type 2, data validation, compare table, few more, and then I will give you another test after that. Anything you want to understand or anything you want to see, please let me know. I can always add that thing in the in our course. Milind, any concerns or anything?
No. So, and what about like if we want to learn like connecting with other databases, as you mentioned, Teradata or Oracle, will you be teaching that too?
I can explain you, but I don't have that software.
Okay.
The problem is I don't have that software, but I can tell you all the tips and tricks what we should use and what are the problems or issues we have. I can explain you in a very good fashion. It is not much of a difference with the task table, but we need to know few other options. That I will explain you in a half a session or one session. I can do that for sure, yes. But I cannot give an example. You cannot practice. That is the only problem. But I can teach you in a such a way that you can visualize how you can do it. Is that answers your question, Milind?
Yes.
So you guys can practice till tomorrow 8:30, both of you. Just need to ping me. Just need to ping me. That's all. Any doubt you guys have in the joins?
No.
Christine?
No.
So I will not help you from today on what you are doing. I will just leave the screen to you only so that you can do on your own. So if there is no doubts, please get ready with get very well acquainted with this joins. Okay, and if you want, I can, if you want to create new tables and do joins other than this, just let me know. I will tell you how to create the tables so that you can access it. Okay, say you don't have to get restricted by these two samples and doing joins. Say you have other samples you want to run, you have code somewhere. I picked this code from online. If you have the way to create tables, I can create the tables for you. We have, what we do is we have SAS EG here. We can create tables and we can use them. Oh, and also I forgot to tell you, I will be teaching you how to access external files and all those things, like Microsoft Access and all those things. Okay, and how to read a file and all those things.
So do you mean export and import of files?
Yeah.
Okay.
We don't have exactly other databases to use, but we have Microsoft Access. I think we can use that. That could be an example I can help you with, but not Oracle or Teradata or anything like that. Are you guys also started for doing interviews and all those things?
Not yet.
Okay, okay. But let me know if you need any help. We can always change the topics. We can be very dynamic. Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Yes.
Tomorrow around 8:30 I will take the class. Okay, 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Nobody has any problems, right?
No.
Yes, no problem.
Thank you very much, guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.